repel.
Kompletong pahayag ni Dante Marcolita, guys, pakinggan natin. Binunyag niya si Martin Romualdez. Tapusin nyo hanggat sa matapos.
He's responsible in weakening our institutions. Kinuha nila yung pera ng PIDA. Kinuha nila yung pera ng PDIC. Kinuha yung pera ng DBP. Kinuha ang pera ng PhilHealth. Kinuha lahat ang mga pera para ilagay sa project ng DPWH. Let us resist that. Let us say no. These people now gathered tonight have the capacity to do that. Let the terms of this covenant reach the shores of Tacloban City. To remind that man from Tacloban that he cannot lord over, that he cannot change the destiny of our people.
Marcolita! 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 Marcolita!
He is the vice president because he wants to become vice president. It cannot be done. It cannot be done. They invented the Quadcom because they want to prosecute the former president. Hindi siya para inquiry in aid of legislation. Wala pong legislation na matino ang ginawa ang Quadcom. For more than 13 hearings, makita po ninyo yung ginawa nilang panukalang batas. Kahit na grade 5 na student, pagtatawanan yung ginawang batas. It was not really intended to enact laws or to supplement in making laws. It was principally designed to prosecute and persecute the former president. Ganito po ang gusto nilang gawin sa atin. Kapag wala pong tumayo, kaya po kami nandito ngayon. Sinabi na po nung tagapagsalita kanina, meron pong alternative. Meron pong 9 na senatoriable sa PDP laban. Iboto niyo po silang lahat. You need people in the Senate to frustrate the impeachment.
Yes!
Kapag ka po hindi kami nakarating doon, they will find the Vice President guilty. Ganun po ang mangyayari. It's a numbers game. Kaya po nakikiusap kami. Please send us to the next Congress.
Yes!
And we will fight for you. We will fight whatever it takes. Para sa inyo. Kung walang magsasalita ngayon, our country will go to the dogs. Yun po ang mangyayari. Pasensya na po kayo kung medyo masakit po ang sinasabi ko. Pero ang kakapal naman nila, di naman yata tinatablad yung mga mukha ng mga tao na yan.
Marcolita!
Tulungan niyo po kami.
Yes!
Bago ako magtapos, meron po akong ibubulong sa inyong lahat. Gikan sa akong kasing-kasing. Ihigugma ko ka mga